Okay, well, back again. Gonna try out my blah, 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 blah. Seemed like the first vlog worked out pretty good. Got a lot of good comments, and I don't know, people seem to get a laugh out of it, so thought I'd try another one. Anyway, let's see. I don't even know what to talk. Isn't that the whole point of vlog? Not even knowing what to talk about, just saying things, blobbity 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 blah blah blah.
You all seem to like the jump cuts. It's like Moneypenny said to me one time, James, nice to see you. And I said, hello, Moneypenny. And I gave her a cigar and she asked me what I wanted to do. Gave her a cigar and she asked what she wanted, maybe she should, I don't know what she should, I could suggest something.
I could leave you with a couple of things here. I could leave you with one thing. Well, no. We'll do two maybe? One, two? Let's try two more things. Two more things added to the video. First one, anybody who rides a bike knows that these are your worst nightmare. Okay, what are you doing there, man? You know, you're a motorcycle's worst enemy. Excuse me. You want to see a deer caught in the headlights? That was just creepy. But not as creepy as these two dudes. I call them the cardboard head cutout guys. Just look at their faces. It's freaking creepy, man. You see what I mean by creepy? I mean creepy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the show. Gotta go. Looking for another outro. Ah! Outro! Well, an outro's a hell of a thing. They're not easy to do, and they're not easy to do.